Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download your VIOFO dashcam footage. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a VIOFO dashcam and you want to go ahead and download the footage. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So the first thing that you're going to do is that you want to go ahead and download the VIOFO app, which looks like this icon right over here. Go ahead and download it. Next, turn on your VIOFO dashcam, click on the Wi-Fi button, and you should hear that the Wi-Fi has been turned on. Then go into settings. And then what you're going to do is look for this Wi-Fi called VIOFO-A119. Now, once you click on that Wi-Fi, go ahead and enter the password, which is 1234567 Go into your VIOFO app afterwards, and then click on Connect Camera, and it should go ahead and connect. After you connect to your camera, you should be able to download the footage, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and download your VIOFO dashcam footage. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.